So from the list, we'll just select the correct vehicle. That would be our correct vehicle. And this page will give us all the information we need to complete the service. The first thing that we'll look at is the type of oil that we'll be needing for the service. And this will be Motul ATF VI. Additionally to this, the database will give us the quantities needed. Our dry fill quantity, which is 3 liters, that would be for the standard old procedure of doing a gearbox service, where with the Motul EVO it's a much more efficient service and you manage to replace all the fluid, so you would be using 7 liters of ATF VI. The next very important step is to select the correct adapters. So from there we'd open our ATF adapter pack 3 and we'd look for NF017, as that's the adapter that we'll be using for the service. This would be our 2 adapters. We'll confirm with the numbers, NF07, and the plate that we need. That would be the adapter kit that we'd be using on the vehicle today. The big problem with your normal drain and fill setup is that once you fill in fresh fluid, you're filling in 60% fresh fluid, you still got 40% of the old fluid, and as soon as you start the vehicle you have immediate contamination. This old fluid really contaminates and damages the fresh fluid's characteristics and can also then lead to damage of a gearbox in a shorter period of time, because you might have a lot of wear metals or the fluid condition will be so low that your new fluid you've added in would fall out of specification and you will not have the adequate protection. So with the receipt on the machine, you can enter the vehicle brand, plate number and the mileage of the vehicle. And you can also load the workshop information onto the machine, so that every receipt printed has the workshop information. Workshop name, contact number and who the operator on the machine was. So if it was me, my name will be there, Takibo Charges, and you'll know that that's the person that used the machine, contact number and the workshop.